Maki maintenance as of February 6, 2026. Shake bottle 20 times. Yung tank level, good pa naman po yan. Nozzle check and head clean. After head clean, nozzle check. Ito ba? Lagyan, wala ka ng ballpen dito. Ano nga ma'am? Saan nilagay? Good naman po ang nozzle check. Wipe UV lamp with water. Wipe UV head area with cleaning solution. Remove dust within printing area.
So dahil may grease, kailangan